Hello, welcome back to your favorite van tour channel. My name is Anton Maroon, and in this video we tour very nice tiny home on wheels, just for your viewing pleasure, my friend. What more do you want? If you like what you see, you like this video. If you don't like what you see, you don't like this video, because I don't want you to like it if you're not honest with me. Capiche? Capiche. If you like my face, you subscribe to this channel. I wait. Okay, I wait long enough. Enjoy video.
What's up, guys? My name is Matt. Welcome to my home on wheels. So this is my 2018 Ram ProMaster 1500. I've been living in it full time with my girlfriend for just over 2.5 years now. Super comfy home on wheels. It was kind of a cheap build, but a little paint and some stain goes a really long way. So I'm excited to show you guys all the amenities that we have on board here. Our sink right here, it's running from, I'll open it up for you. Right here, full of dirty dishes, you know, because it's all the realities of van life. And it's running from these clean water and gray water tanks right here. Just a quick little hand pump, so nothing too fancy. You don't have to get all the electronics involved and everything. It's easy for us when we're just brushing our teeth or washing our dishes or whatever. So the power is coming from both the alternator and 200 watts of solar on top. So it's super nice when you're driving. You get a full charge as well. If the sun's out, you know, you're really cranking with a lot of energy. So we have our refrigerator here as well. Super cold, you know, keeps the beer cold. That's always important. Cheers, guys. And then just behind here, we have all of our plugins. So we plug in our refrigerator here, and all of our phones, our USB. This is also our light switch. So we have some dimming lights here. Super nice in the afternoons when you don't want too much light or anything if you're trying to save power. So a lot of this van was just repurposed materials. We didn't spend a lot of money on it, like I said. So we got this mirror and everything, this chalkboard, our little cabinets here were all repurposed. Inside of here is where we keep all of our spices and whatnot. Keeps everything kind of organized without it falling around and getting too loose when you're driving on the road, bumpy roads and everything. We're not the biggest cookers, my girlfriend and I, but we still like to enjoy a nice meal. What we're cooking with right now is this Coleman Stove right under here. Super easy to just slide out. We pull that out and kind of just prop it up right here. We used to have a little table, but you know, sometimes if it's windy or you need that flame to not burn out, nice to put it right here. All propane. This is our refrigerator right here. This is where we keep the majority of our food. Down here is where we keep all of our meat, cold beer obviously, eggs. It's a good size. It kind of has two little compartments here, and for the price, these Stockholm coolers are crazy efficient. The Dometic ones can run you over $1,000. This was only $300. So they make two different sizes of these, the bigger one and the smaller one. We went with the smaller one because eventually when we do a rebuild down the road, we want to put it under here, maybe put on some sliders or whatnot just to make it a little more accessible, free up this space a little bit as well. But yeah, that's a huge essential for us. Definitely one of our top 3 things that we recommend having in the van. Just being able to have cold water, cold food, you know, fresh meat and everything, just super nice. Yeah, so we don't have a restroom in here, which I always like to say, I don't want to where I eat. No, that's personal preference and everything. So a lot of people do use restrooms in here. And then the people that I've talked to that have restrooms in here say, you know, we don't really use them that much. It's just more of a hassle having to take it out and everything. That's all personal preference. My girlfriend and I aren't clean freaks by any means, so we have no problem using public restrooms, friends' restrooms, going to a cafe or something in that morning, get your business done there, learn how to hold it, I guess.
Yeah, same for the shower.
Same for the shower, yep. So we do have gym memberships. Certain gyms are super cheap. And that's super nice just for showers if you want to get a quick workout in or whatnot. I know a lot of yoga studios do that as well, where you can get their shower. And that's more what I recommend right now, but we're by the beach, so there are public showers. They're not the most clean and everything, and you don't have your privacy. So shower-wise, I definitely like going to public gyms. And like I said earlier, friends' houses, you know, friends come a really long ways.
Musician. You play some guitar?
Play a little bit of guitar. guitar and the ukulele here. It's nothing, you know, it's nothing fancy or anything. It's just something around the campfire. It keeps you guys all busy. It's also a great way to meet people, and there's been so many times where I'm having a fire and my girlfriend's like, hey Matt, grab the guitar. And I'm like, no, I don't want to do that. And then it turns into an amazing time.
What got you into van life?
So growing up, I had always kind of seen people, nomadic people on the road and everything. We have been in this for about 2.5 years now. So right now we're in the beginning of 2021, and it seems like everybody out there has a van. But back in, you know, maybe a few years ago, it was still kind of a new thing. And so I saw these people doing it, and it was a really big inspiration to me. And people like Anton making these videos, and, you know, just friends coming together and sharing their experiences, super inspirational for me. I've worked in a bunch of different states and traveled and hitchhiked all over. So that's kind of a driving factor for why I want to make my home mobile as well. And also having a home on wheels is super convenient. You know, you can have all of your belongings, everything that you're comfortable with, and bring it anywhere you want. So traveling a lot, it's super nice to be able to have my clothes, my backpack, my camping gear, my skiing gear in any state that I want it at. I don't have to fly anything out, ship anything out. It's a lot cheaper just to have everything with you. Going with the money thing as well, you don't have to pay rent. You know, paying rent is huge, especially people living in these mountain towns nowadays. If they want to come move down to the beach, you're looking to spend $1,100 to $1,200 a month in rent. This, you're kind of only paying for gas, you know, and so that goes a really long ways, especially if you're running solar and you don't have to buy big propane tanks for your heater and whatnot. It's just super efficient in the long run.
How much did it cost to build out your van?
The total cost of building it out, I would say, is around $3,000. Like I said in the beginning of the video, we used a lot of repurposed wood, a lot of cheap wood. I would say the most expensive piece of wood is our live edge countertop, which is a super nice piece. But the majority of it is just 2x4s and, you know, kind of cheap wood that we put a lot of nice stain and paint on. Okay. So yeah, if you guys want to, you know, follow me or find me on Instagram, my tag is MattColeman_. You can find that in the bio. If you want to check out some of these artists that we have in our van, Whiskey Mouth, he's on Instagram as well. That'll be in the bio. Dirtbag Rigs is the guy, Max Mogren, that helped us build out this van, doing super cool things up there. That link will be in the bio as well. Definitely recommend you guys drop them a follow. Obviously Anton as well. You know, he's the guy that's really inspiring people to go out there and make amazing things out of this. So with that being said, guys, don't forget to smash the like button, always subscribe, support all your local van lifers, and don't forget. Yeah. And never forget to smile.
Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Remember to like this video if you like the video, and subscribe to this channel if you like my face. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Much love.